Hello, my name is Richie Fitzgerald, and let me introduce you to my application, Iris. So this is Iris, and what Iris is, it is a journal application. So you can create a virtual journal, and you can add pages to it and edit the pages. And here, let me get us to that step. So I'm going to cheat here for a second. So I'm going to register as a new user, and I've already registered myself. So let me do Blaine Fitzgerald. I'll just call this bfitz, and our password will be CIT336 and CIT336, and we'll use bfitz at gmail.com. Okay, so we register, and here, this is what the starting screen looks like. And right now you don't have anything else to do because you don't have any journals. And so if you click up here, you can see details about your account. And if you click here, you can add a journal. So to give this journal a title, I'm just going to call it, I'll call it diary. And I'm going to make another journal called Scripture Journal. So here I have diary and I have Scripture Journal. So diary, let's add a page to the diary, and I'll say long finals week. And if you notice, the auto inputs a date for you, so you don't have to, but if you want to change it to like a past date, you can come in here and you can change the date to however you want. And let me just refresh the page. Okay, long finals week. Come in here and say this has been a really long week. Lots of tests. Like, okay, I want to add this page to my journal. And once you add the page to your journal, it takes you directly to your journal and to the page that you just added, so you can see how it looks with everything else. And here's the cover of your journal, just in case you're curious. And then you look at this and you realize, oh, oops, I spelled this wrong. I have a capital H in there. You can come here to the edit page, and it brings everything in just like it did on the page. And then you have these options that you can either update it or you can delete the page if you decide, wow, that was an embarrassing story. I don't want that in there anymore. But we're just going to change it to that. Maybe add another thing here. I have been making mistakes all week. Okay, and we update that. And there you go. And if you come back here, you can get to that same view by, let's say, if you don't want to add a page to the journal or anything, you just want to start reading your journal. You just click on Read Journal. And sorry, my live site's a little slow. I don't know why. It runs really fast on my local computer, but not always the fastest on JustHost. Okay, so here we go. And so that takes you back to the same view. If we come back here, let's add another dummy page. And on this page, what we're going to do is, let's just call this, we'll call it delete this page. This page will be deleted. Add this page. And I hope everyone else's site works faster than mine on JustHost. But okay, so see, we have this new page, and it took us straight to the page, and we're going to say, okay, we're going to edit this. And we're going to be like, yeah, this page was weird. Let's just delete that and move on. And so this will delete the page out from our journal. And then the other nice thing about this, an electronic journal, is that you can't keep adding features to a paper journal in the future. Your paper journal is just on paper and you can't do anything. So let me take a quick peek in here. So let's see, lots of tests. So in the search journal thing over here, I show you that you can use right and left arrows to flip through the pages of your book. And the search journal, let's say I can search for tests. Click search. And oh, hey, look at that, long finals week. I click on the link and it takes me straight to the page. And so this would pop up anything. So if this will work fast, and we try and add another page real fast. And the cool thing about that search journal thing is it'll pull the top 5 matches. So another long week, more tests. And when I search for tests this time, tests, I get both of these pages. So I'll get this one and this one. And that's pretty much the application in a nutshell of how it works and how it operates. And the last thing I guess I can show you is that when you go back here to the home page, click log out. Here. If we want to log back in, that works too. So bfits CIT336 and log in. And here we are again. And then we never used our scripture journal, so we can delete that. But as of right now, this is everything the journal application can do, but you can see how powerful that can be to go back and edit a page or go on and add a page in the past. And so you don't have to write your journal out all funky in the future. And if you're trying to remember what day an event happened, you can just search on it in your journal, and you'll see all the days that was happening on. And so now how this fits to the project requirements, I believe that it uses one controller. In fact, all the actions go through a single controller, and all of the data modifications are done through one model. And it has server-side and client-side validation, and it has the database is custom. I designed it all myself. I designed how it works all together by itself. There might be better ways to do it, but I did it by myself, and it was a good learning experience, and it was fun to work with and develop this application. And I feel like it meets the project requirements. There were a couple features I wasn't able to put in that I said, and but overall, I feel like I hit what I was wanting to. I was able to make it so users can create virtual journals, and then you can add pages to those journals and edit it and search for the things in it. And that was like my main point of doing it right now, and I feel like I was able to hit all of those requirements. And so I thank you for spending this time with me to go through the Iris application, and I hope you guys find it to be useful.